Our Infobook is the reference book when it comes to availability of our products. Here you will find all the information about decors, formats, surfaces, and delivery times, as well as technical information. The Infobook is available in printed version and as a PDF. You can always find the latest edition under the link www.resopal.de/infobook. After a brief overview of our product range, you will see our stock program. The decors listed here are sorted by decor number. First all the plain colors, then the woods, followed by stones and abstracts, and lastly metal decors. All items in the stock program are available for delivery within 2 working days. The table shows all decor-relevant information, including the closest NCS and RAL codes, if available. All product-relevant information, such as format, thickness, and minimum order quantity, can then be found on the right-hand side. A black dot indicates that this is a stock item. However, the stock program is only a very small part of our range. You will find many more options in our order program from page 12 onwards. This includes further product groups, additional formats, thicknesses, and surfaces. This table is always read from left to right. In the first column, search for the application or product group you are interested in. In our example, this is a compact panel. In the third column, you then can see that these are available with all of our decors in stock range. This means simply search for a suitable decor on pages 5 to 11 of the Infobook and then select it. Next, select the desired format, thickness, and surface. As you can see, the interface here depends on the selected format. Further to the right, you will now see the minimum order quantity for your desired compact panel and the delivery time. More information is available in the comments section. Some products are also only available in the decor surface combination of the stock range. For example, as seen here, in 104/60 finish or 134 VE finish. This is the case for our magnetic product, which is also only available in selected surfaces. On the last pages of the Infobook, you will find the most important technical data for our products. These include the EN 438 norm, the fire protection classifications, and other relevant information. Use our Infobook to plan your projects and ideas. If you have any detailed questions, do not hesitate to contact our customer service team at any time.